876 Street.
Big up again to 876 Streets. We're at the end of the Easter meet. Team Wheel Motorsports came out. We presented Team Racing Syndicates, which were CRX, Honda EF and Honda EK. We had some issues, but it was a good day. My first race, won my first race, came second in my second race, and third in my third race. I had some engine problems in the fourth race, and we kind of had to retire for the day. The CRX had some suspension issues as well. We broke something and we had to retire, but it was a good day. We also had a win with the EK. We had a second place and I think a third place with the EK. I must say though, I think, I could be wrong, but I think I am probably the only person who has run every single event for the day. I've run IP class, I've run MP class, I've run Thundersport class, and it turned out well. I have a podium finish in each of those classes. I probably was stressing the car a little bit too much, but it was good. I had fun and it was a good turnout. It was very competitive, and I think even the audience had a good day racing. Like I said, it was an awesome meet. We came out, we had fun, we did well, the entire team did well. And of course, we could not have done it without our sponsors. Big up to Maxxis, big up to Top One Oil, big up to Parma, the great Victor Brown, our fabricator. Leroy Spence and James Ince, my teammates. We could not have done it unless it was a team effort. We did well and we had a great time, and thanks again.